I think a lot of us have discussed this before. Will the Golf Course Extension Road beat the Golf Course Road ever? Not today, not tomorrow, but in times to come, in a few years to come, definitely for sure. I'll give you a very, very simple reason. The top developers of the country, they're looking to have their projects on the Golf Course Extension Road, and many of them, they're already there. We have seen what has happened with the Oberoi Realty, the kind of response they've got. Oberoi is already there on the Golf Course Extension Road, the largest developer of the country, DLF. Probably will have a second project very, very soon on the Golf Course Extension Road. You have the Godrej properties, you have Sobha, you have Emaar, you have Adani, you have Birla, you have so many other developers. M3M is coming up with the branded residences over there. My friends, all the big names, they are there in a single micro market for a reason. You and I sometimes can go wrong while making real estate decisions, but these large developers investing thousands of crores in a single location definitely have their research absolutely right. Golf Course Extension Road is much wider, and if everything goes right, will be planned and developed in the best possible manner, and that'll be one of the widest city roads that Delhi NCR would have ever seen. And the social infra is absolutely bang on. You have the hospitals, you have the schools, you have the retail destinations, you have the shopping districts, everything already existing. यहाँ पे कुछ नया develop नहीं करना है. And the linkage, the connection to all the major highways, right? When we talk about the DMIC, to the Dwarka Expressway, to the NH8, and even to Ghata and Delhi, the connectivity is absolutely phenomenal. So everything that a good micro market needs, that is a thumbs up from all the A-grade developers, a thumbs up from the investors, a thumbs up from the home buyers, and good connectivity, good retail destinations, good hospitals, good schools, everything is there. So definitely in the years and times to come, Golf Course Extension definitely will be rated higher than even the Golf Course Road. Having said that, I do not want to discount the golf links on the Golf Course Road. Barring these three projects, Golf Course Extension Road would be definitely the next big thing to talk about in the Gurgaon real estate market.